Hello everyone. Today I'm here to share my experience with a high-end smartphone, the Porsche Design version of the Honor Magic 7 RSR. This device raises a big question. How does it feel to use such a premium product? Is it truly worth it when we look at its display, system, design, and overall performance? Let's dive into the details as I share my honest impressions. Hi everyone, this is Mikey from Tech Makey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. We'll start with the unboxing. The packaging immediately gives off a luxurious vibe. As I removed the outer cover, I found another layer made of sleek black glass. An excellent choice that adds to the premium feel. Inside, the first thing you notice is the phone, but let's set that aside for now. The box includes a purple phone case that matches the device's color. The back of this case is mostly made of SIP material, with the Porsche Design logo engraved. It's designed with plastic grip areas to reduce the chance of accidental drops and protect the phone from impacts. The inside of the case is lined with a velvety texture, making it both practical and stylish. Together, these accessories, especially the Porsche branding, exude sophistication. The charger is a 100-watt black fast charger, consistent with the Magic 7 series. It comes with a tough nylon charging cable that's built to resist wear and tear. What's more, the phone supports super fast wireless charging, which is a great addition for convenience. And friends, tomorrow I'll share a detailed camera review and comparison of the Honor Magic 7 RSR Porsche Design. So, stay connected with our channel. First impressions of the phone design. Now let's talk about the phone itself. I have to say, I haven't been this impressed with a phone design in a while. The official name for its color is Provence Purple, and it's truly stunning. The actual device looks even better than in the promotional images. Under different lighting conditions, the color shifts slightly, giving it a dynamic and captivating appearance. This effect is enhanced by a subtle raised line running along the phone's body. The rear camera module stands out with its unique hexagonal design surrounded by a metallic frame. The glass covering the camera isn't completely flat. It has a slight curve, reminiscent of 2.5D glass, which adds to its premium look and feel. The phone's purple frame ensures a seamless, uniform design. However, the glossy finish on the frame does tend to attract fingerprints. At around 231 grams, the phone has a solid weight but remains comfortable to hold. Its slightly wider body is balanced by rounded edges, making it easier to grip. Display quality. The Honor Magic 7 RSR Porsche Design features a 6.8-inch 1.5K display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's one of the best displays I've used this year. The screen is vibrant, crystal clear, and delivers a top-tier viewing experience. Protected by Honor's new Golden Gorilla Glass, this display is reportedly 10 times more resistant to drops and scratches compared to regular materials. This means you might not even need a screen protector, as the screen is exceptionally durable. What truly sets this display apart is its balanced color reproduction. The colors are bright and vivid without being overly saturated, making it comfortable for extended use. The display also includes features like blue light filtering and advanced brightness adjustments, which ensure a pleasant viewing experience regardless of lighting conditions. Whether you choose the Porsche Design version or the standard Magic 7 Pro, this screen is definitely one of the highlights of the phone. Camera performance. The camera system on the Magic 7 RSR Porsche Design is significantly upgraded. It features a large 1.3-inch sensor with advanced technology and a dynamic range capability of up to 15 stops. This means the camera can capture bright highlights and detailed shadows simultaneously, making it ideal for scenes like sunrises, sunsets, or high-contrast architecture. Portrait shots come out beautifully, thanks to the phone's excellent color processing. The photos strike a perfect balance between eye-catching vibrancy and natural tones. Additionally, the phone includes a telephoto lens with top-of-the-line specifications, including a 1/4-inch sensor and advanced periscope zoom capabilities. The zoom is impressive, even in low light conditions, maintaining sharp details whether you're zooming in 300x, 600x, or even 1200x. Night photography and extreme zoom levels like 70x or 100x produce surprisingly good results. What's more, the AI processing for photography has seen a big improvement with the latest system update. The AI leverages cloud data and advanced algorithms to enhance the overall photo quality, ensuring consistency across different scenarios. Satellite communication and system performance. One of the standout features of this phone is its support for dual satellite communication. It integrates Beidou satellite messaging and Tiantong satellite communication. This combination ensures stronger and more reliable signals, even in remote areas where regular networks might struggle. On the software side, the Magic 7 RSR Porsche Design runs on Magic OS 9.0. The interface feels smooth, intuitive, and optimized for multitasking and gaming. Features like seamless app transitions and hassle-free subscription management are thoughtful touches that enhance the user experience. Overall, the software offers a polished and user-friendly experience that many Magic 7 series users have appreciated. Charging and battery life. The Magic 7 RSR Porsche Design supports 100-watt fast charging, allowing it to go from 6% to 40% battery in just 10 minutes. A full charge takes about 30 minutes, which is incredibly convenient. The battery life is equally impressive. On moderate usage, the phone easily lasts over 7 hours and still has around 30% battery left by the end of the day. This makes it a reliable choice for users who need a phone that can handle heavy usage. Conclusion. In summary, the Honor Magic 7 RSR Porsche Design is a luxury smartphone that justifies its premium price tag. Its elegant design, solid build quality, stunning display, advanced camera capabilities, and smooth system performance all come together to create an exceptional user experience. Features like dual satellite communication, durable materials, and fast charging further enhance its value. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a standout device, this phone is worth considering. Thank you for joining me in exploring this device. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have about it. See you in the next review.
Anyway, you say